Greetings, humans. Tim here. This video is about 3D printing and how we can incorporate that into the manufacturing of guitar pedals, effects pedals. This is Tinkercad. It's a CAD program. I made this whole thing here just to show you guys for demonstrative purposes. So this is what I can do as far as unique pedal design, as far as making it look cool, making it different, making it feel different, look different, all that. So anyway, I built this small box with these shapes in it just to show I can make these shapes. So these are the different shapes. I made a moon and a star and an arrow. You can choose anything about this. You can choose the width, the height, all that. It's very accurate. You can choose the filament that you print it out of. The idea here is that most pedals just have an LED light sticking out of a hole in the frame. We can print stuff, whatever design we want, we can print out in very small form, and we can light it up with an LED. It should look a lot different. So I just made this box here with these holes to show that these can fit in here perfect, and here it is. Actually, I have it all printed out. So you can see the little moon in there. This is a transparent filament. I'll put the light on it here in a second. You can see that I put a little box behind it so it stops, so it just plugs right in. This one is this one's done with white filament, so whenever you light it up, it diffuses the little LED light differently. So right now, for a quick demonstration, I have one of these flicker lights. It makes it supposed to look like a candle light. It's just LEDs on a little relay. And let me see if I can get it set up here. Since I gotta hold my phone, I gotta balance everything. Even just right there is fine. So you can see how well you put it back on this, and then that's the little moon is the only thing that's flickering. So that's with the transparent filament. I also have a little arrow right here. The Bob Lazar pedal, I was thinking it'd be fun to have arrows, maybe indicator lights of some kind. Another thing that can be done is you can also resin print. This is a resin printed rocket that I built. So it's printed out of like goopy resin. It uses a screen that displays an image onto the resin, and layer by layer it builds this very, very detailed depiction of whatever you Tinkercad. So when you light this up with a light, the whole thing lights up like a crystal. So we can use this for little diffusion parts as well, for little pieces. Anyway, that's a quick overview of what I can do with 3D printing. I was looking for the Graviton grease gun. I'm not sure where I put it. I was going to show y'all a little more close up how I did that, but some stuff from that pedal could be utilized in a manufacturing process as well. I assume that whatever pedal company is being built here, you're going to use a universal housing, a metal housing with pre-drilled holes in it, or you might have to drill your own holes. I think something I could bring to the table is if I was given a prototype with a modular setup that what everybody else does, just the metal box, I could probably source something unique, such as maybe how the fuzz face was built. I don't know if y'all are familiar with the fuzz face. I'm sure you are. It's just like a disc, looks like a little UFO. So we could find some object, some metal object that I can get 150 of, 200, and then I can house whatever prototype y'all are doing, and then as well as incorporate the 3D printing. Real quick, one last thing. If the company pedal is being built, I want to suggest the switchcraft jack here. Something like this would be a big selling point. If you say, hey, we're using the switchcraft jacks with the, as you see, it's got double everything, so it connects really well. It's really high quality. And if you do know what a switchcraft jack is, if you're finding a boutique pedal company and they're like, hey, we're using switchcraft jacks, I would assume that the rest of the pedal would be high quality. Now, whether you're using high quality components or not, I don't know. But something like this would be a quick, nice add-on as well, just to say that hey, we're using these high-end switchcraft jacks that don't fail super easily. I guess that's about it for right now. you guys keep me updated on what you have planned. And I'm waiting for a prototype so I can start incorporating some of these design ideas.